In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to record your Zoom meeting audio using OBS Studio. So first of all, join in a Zoom meeting, then go to your OBS Studio and click on Settings. In Settings, select Audio. And under Global Audio Devices, click on Desktop Audio. And here you have to select your default audio output device. It could be a headphone or a speaker. And after that, click on this mic audio drop down and select your mic, which mic currently you are using in your Zoom meeting. And then just click on apply and OK. Now under sources, click on this plus icon, click on this plus icon and select application audio capture. And here I'm typing Zoom meeting audio and clicking on OK. Now click on this window drop down and from this list you have to select Zoom meeting and click on OK. And you have successfully added your Zoom meeting audio to your OBS Studio. Now all you have to need, just click on start recording and join your Zoom call and make sure audio is playing through your speaker headset. OBS will now capture Zoom's audio as part of desktop audio.